I'm Dean Richard Johansson, and I am the owner of OptaDerm Products Incorporated. Product ideas normally come from talking to customers or my staff on what the consumer is looking for. When I work on a formula, I start off with a piece of paper, and it's all a mathematical formula, all based on percentages and what goes in.
We'll take that formula and we'll input it into our inventory system in our computer, and from then on we'll be able to track where that formula goes.
No, we do not test on animals. We test on staff. This is chemistry. We do not adjust and change every batch. We follow a strict protocol.
We prepare the equipment using ethanol because it kills the bacteria, it evaporates, and it's harmless to the products that we're making.
So everything that we start with has been cleaned and sterilized as best as we possibly can. We have a reverse osmosis filter, and from there we'll take that water and we'll boil it to further sterilize the water. We measure everything down to the gram and milligram.
More and more research is being put into what actually makes an active ingredient work. So we're able to make better performing cosmetics.
We can manufacture as little as a few liters at a time, up to 200 liters at a time. Every product that we manufacture undergoes quality control tests for bacteria, yeast, and mold. To do that, we take about a 5-10 gram sample of the product, mix it with a broth that will allow bacteria, yeast, and mold growth to happen if they are present in the product. Once we've done that, we will pipette 1 ml of this solution onto a disposable Petri plate, and we'll test it in an incubator for between 24 and 48 hours, and then we will be able to read any bacteria, yeast, or mold growth present with a special printer that will record it into our computer, and we can log that for reference later.
It passes, and then the product is safe to be filled.
Then we set up the machine depending on what size packaging the product is going into.
Whether it's going to be a cream or a lotion or a liquid, that determines whether it's going to be a jar or a bottle.
We batch every product with its own individual number so that we can trace it back to when it was made, what ingredients were used, and where it's gone.
We're able to use locally manufactured bottles, and we are able to use our recyclable plastic labels, so the entire unit is recyclable.
And the reason why we don't use colors is because there's no real added benefit to the product except for a visual effect.
And we can put color on the labels as opposed to coloring the product. We try to find a certain problem that's not being taken care of within the line, or if new ingredients come onto the market that we are now allowed to use in the manufacturing of cosmetics in Canada. We always have our regular training sessions monthly to keep us up to date and current on all the features and benefits of our products. We can age gracefully. We can look the best we can at every age, and that is a wonderful thing to share.